I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your HP model and Windows version so you pick the right drivers. Once done, plug in AC power and perform a cold restart to rule out power save lockouts. Next, open Device Manager and expand the Human Interface Devices and Display Adapters sections so you can see what the system reports. This initial check uncovers missing drivers or disabled devices. It speeds troubleshooting because the brightness keys rely on those firmware and driver interfaces to now focus on drivers and HP utilities that mediate the keys. First, uninstall the display adapter and the monitor entry, then use Scan for hardware changes to reinstall them so Windows rebinds brightness controls. Next, install or repair HP System Event Utility and the vendor graphics driver. These translate function keys into brightness commands. Also check adaptive brightness and the active power plan because those settings can override manual control. Once done, reboot so service. Finish by testing the FN plus brightness keys. If nothing happens, try the alternate key combos listed in your manual because some HP models invert FN behavior. If updates broke control, roll back the display driver or use a recent system restore point to return to the last working state. If keys still fail, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is blocking input. That narrows the issue quickly. If safe mode fixes it, disable startup apps selectively until the culprit is found.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.